Is it a signal to eat or something more? Stick around, this is going to blow your mind. Believe it or not, the growling sound comes from your intestines, not your stomach. It's called borborygmi, a fancy word for the rumbling made when your intestines move air and liquid while cleaning up after digestion. Hungry or not, it can happen anytime, but it's louder on an empty stomach. Crazy, right? What's the weirdest body fact you've learned? Comment below and share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and flick that notification bell for more mind-boggling facts.